Hey my loves, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to talk about the most common problem that we have nowadays is hair fall. All the men and women these days facing this hair fall issue due to our lifestyles. We are having a lot of hair loss these days. Today I have this anti-hair fall kit with me from Neem Ayu, which claims to control the hair fall and regrowth of new hair within 28 days and provides 100% money back guarantee with no questions asked. I am super excited to try out this product on me to see the results because lately I have been personally facing a lot of hair fall issues due to this monsoon and I don't know what else, my diet or my lifestyle. So whenever I comb my hair, I get a lot of hair in my comb.
I really love the packaging that they have provided. The kit has 3 products: hair oil, shampoo and capsules, which solves the hair fall problem. I've been using this product for a few days now and I can see the visible results in my hair in just ₹1000. It helps to stop hair fall, promotes hair growth and improves hair texture.
If you're new to my channel, do subscribe it and press the bell notification for future updates. So without any further ado, let's start with the brand. Neem Ayu anti-hair fall kit is developed by experts and processed in the holy land of Haridwar. The Charak Samhita mentions that hair fall needs to be managed by external and internal treatments. Neem Ayu anti-hair fall kit is the only solution that offers an effective and holistic solution to hair fall based on Acharya Charak's learnings and Ayurvedic principles of routine. Now let me tell you the benefits of this product. It is clinically proven to be effective. It is quite fast acting. It claims to give you visible results in 28 days only. 90% hair fall reduction in 28 days. It provides you healthier hair and scalp. Now let's talk about the herbal goodness that the product is having. So the product contains Bhringraj, Manjista, Brahmi and Safed Chandan, that is also called Sandalwood. Now let's talk about the ingredients one by one. Bhringraj is said to promote hair growth, strengthen hair and prevent graying hair and dandruff. Next is Manjista, which is considered to be one of the best blood purifying herbs. It is effective in controlling hair fall. It helps to remove excess dryness from hair that controls dandruff, thus prevents hair loss. Next is Brahmi, which is known to prevent hair loss, split ends, eliminates dandruff, cleanses your scalp and give a soothing effect. The last one is Sandalwood. Sandalwood is highly valuable in treating hair problems like dandruff, prevent hair fall. Sandalwood oil is effective in warding off the excess sebum secretion in the scalp, treats split ends and enhances the hair luster and growth.
Let me show you how to use this product. Use Neem Ayu anti-hair fall oil twice a week for massage. Leave for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. After that, use Neem Ayu anti-hair fall shampoo to wash your hair and don't use conditioner. Step 3. Have Neem Ayu anti-hair fall capsule daily with milk or water as per your choice or convenience. Neem Ayu gives no questions asked, 100% money back guarantee. Here you can see the texture of shampoo. I'll quickly wash my hair off the camera and I'll see you in rest of the video.
My coupon code is mentioned in the description box, so do not forget to check it. You will get a discount using that coupon code. Don't forget to share your thoughts with me in the comment section. I love you guys so much and I'll see you with a brand new one. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.